Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the region, language, and time settings manually after you've already set up your Nintendo Switch. Because, you know, people move to different places, or send their Switch to like a family member or whatever, or take it traveling, so sometimes that's helpful. So to change those settings, all you have to do is go to the System Settings button at the bottom of the home page, which is the gear. And then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down till you find the Systems tab. And then inside of here, in the middle, is your language, region, and time settings. You can set a bunch of different languages, not as many as other services provide, but a pretty good cross-section of them, including English, French, Dutch, Spanish, Italian, Netherlands, Portuguese, Russian, and some other Asian languages, which I do believe include Japanese, Korean, Mandarin, and probably another region in China. And then for regions, you get Japan, the Americas, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and South Korea. And then for date and time, you have a couple options here. You can manually set the time, if that's what you like to do. So if you untoggle this top option, it'll allow you to manually set your current date and time, but I'm completely fine letting the internet do that. And then you have to select your time zone, which in my case, because I live in Colorado, I set it based on Denver, which is our capital here in this state. However, I do share the same time zone with a couple other places, but because I'm on Mountain Time, that time zone shifts a little bit differently than other people in the same time zone. So if you're not sure what your time zone is, or you don't recognize any of these places' names, you can Google your UTC time code for your time zone, and that will tell you which one of these is most likely the region closest to you. And then that's it. That's how you manually adjust those settings in the system settings. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.